In this video, I want us to answer this indefinite integral question. We are finding the indefinite integral of x times sin x dx. So to find the indefinite integral of this, we are going to use what we call integration by parts. So integration by parts uses this formula. We have the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. So this is the formula that you are going to use. Now in this formula, you should identify some of the parameters that are being used. So you can see we have the u there. So the u, we are going to identify it from this. So the u can be x here. We are going to say u is equal to x. Now when we find u, we should find du. And how do we get du? To get du, should differentiate this u function. So we are going to say du is equal to the differentiation of u, which is just 1 dx. Then after identifying u, the remaining function, which is sin x, is going to be dv. So this is dv is equal to sin x. Then from this dv, we should get v. So how do we get v using dv? So to get the function for v, we are going to integrate this dv. So v is equal to, we'll get the integral of sin x. So in this case, the integral of sin x is negative cos x. Okay, so you should know these principles. Then from here, we are going to apply these in our formula. So we are going to write the integral of x times sin x dx is equal to u, this is x, then v, we have negative cos x minus, then what is our v? So minus the integral of v, our v is negative cos x, then times what is our du? Our du is a 1. So we just have dx because our du is said 1 dx. So we just put dx. Then from here, you are going to write x times negative cosine x. You are going to have negative x cos x. Then this negative and this negative will give us a positive. Then you are going to have the integral of cos x dx. From here, we are going now to finish our question. We are going to have negative x cos x plus what is the integral of cos x? What is the integral of cos x? So the integral of cos x is sin x, then plus c. So this is our answer. So thank you so much, everybody. Bye bye.